Proof.
Hannah's playing with her red ball. She throws it and then crawls away after it. Can you get it, Hannah? Go get it. Away you go. Go get it.
It's different on
Is
the
it hard to crawl on the tile? Yeah.
Feels different, yeah.
You can get it. Little slippery, huh? You're almost there.
Get it.
Get your ball. Get your ball.
Yay!
Yay, you did it. Good job.
There, that's the
Oh.
way. This way.
A new adventure awaits.